Member states are obliged to perform this analysis, this data, to collect this data, and this is co-financed by the European Commission. Now we have one in progress, which is a very important one, we understand, which is Listeria monocytogenes, where we collect data on the food chain, also up to the retail, and we guess that, we hope that this will then also provide very good data if we need to embark on a quantitative risk assessment, as the previous baseline surveys did. So, as I said, EFSA collects and analyzes data on zoonosis and publishes an annual EU summary report in collaboration with the CDC, because the CDC provides the human data and also helps in analyzing the data on human zoonotic cases. This is based on a directive on the monitoring of zoonosis and zoonotic agents from 2003 in the EU, which asks EFSA to analyze the trends over the years in member states and